Welcome back. Margao police arrested 3 robbers red-handed while selling robbed jewellery. They broke into a house in Navali some days back. The robbers had fled with a Mangalsutra, 2 mobile phones and a motorbike. The gang is from Uttar Pradesh and were residing at Nesai, Margao. The trio has been remanded to 6 days police custody and investigation is on to recover the motorbike.
3 जाणां अरेस्ट केल्यात. तांकां ते मंगळसूत्र विकोंक वयता आसतना धरले आनी तांची नांव आसात राजन निषाद सन ऑफ रामदास, मागीर पप्पू निषाद सन ऑफ चंद्रपॉल आनीक बिंद किशोर केवट म्हणून हे तिगय IDC नेसाय रावपी आनीक ओरिजिनली ऑफ UP हांकां अरेस्ट केल्यात आनीक तांचे कडल्यान मंगळसूत्र आनी मोबायल सांचे दोनी रिकवर जाल्ले आसात आनीक ह्या तिगय चोरांक आमी कोर्टा मुखार हजर करून 6 दीस रिमांड घेतलेले आसा. असले आनी चोरी प्रकरणांक तांचो आस्पाव आसा काय ना हाची चवकशी आमी चालू केल्या. मोटरसायकल अजून मेळना, ती खंय तरी डिस्पोज केल्या, खंय ती विकल्या, हाजो शोध चालू आसा.
India Bikers Week was held for the second time in Goa. Vagator weaved with bikers from all over the world. Bikes like vintage, sports and cruiser were attraction at the event. Professional bikers also performed stunts. Passionate bikers showed off with their modified bikes. Bollywood celebrities were also a part of the event. Kapil Mardorkar gets you the excerpts of India Bikers Week. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.